Hi there, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, please like and subscribe this video. You guys, today I am going to be doing something really scary. I'm going to be contouring for the first time ever. I have never contoured before, but I've always wanted to try it. So today I'm taking the plunge and contouring in front of you. You'll be here along this journey with me today. I've read a lot of articles and watched a lot of videos about contouring, and I'm hoping that you like the end result. Please comment your thoughts on my look at the end of this video. Don't be too brutal with the comments, but I would like feedback so that I can learn and grow. Before I started contouring today, I put on two different products as my base. The first one is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And then after that, I put on the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the color 4.5. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. You know, is it e.l.f. or is it e.l.f.? Because I saw a commercial recently where it said eyes, lips, face, and I thought, that makes a lot of sense. Well, whatever you want to call it, we're going to be using their cream contour palette today. And let me tell you, this palette is really hard to find. I went to Walmart, nothing. Ulta, out of stock. I finally ended up at Target, and they had this product on their shelves. Thank God. I'm gonna start contouring today with this brush from Farah, which I received in my Ipsy Glam bag for April 2021. And before we get to painting the face, I just wanted to point out the different shades within this cream palette. This is more of the highlighter shade, the lightest shade in the palette. And then we have some of the darker shades here that you can use for your contour. Today, I'm gonna be using a mix of this lighter shade, the next shade over, and possibly this one. So to begin, I am going to use this side of the brush, and I'm gonna start with our lightest shade, the highlighter shade here. And we're gonna highlight up in here. And then I'm gonna go down the sides of the nose. And I saw some different diagrams of contouring where it showed to contour right in here. And then we'll do that on the other cheek as well. And then I will contour right on the bottom of my chin here, highlighting all of the points of my face. I think this was a little too high, but oh well, it's our first time. And then I'm just gonna go straight line down the nose here. After that, I'm gonna hop over to the next darkest shade over here and go up on my forehead. Now I know that I read that some people like to start contouring as beginners with a powder contour palette, and that's totally fine. I prefer just creams generally. Honestly, the only thing that I like in a powder is blush probably. But otherwise, I really like to put creams for a foundation or any kind of base on the skin, and that's why I chose to do this instead of the powder. Right up above here. Now I know that I read that it's recommended to make a face like this to do this part of the contour. This looks so interesting. I'm gonna do the jawline slightly. Next, I'm gonna go down my nose. Now, I was watching a video where someone said this part of the contour is the most critical and you really wanna go slowly. So I'm gonna really take my time here with this to go down the sides of my nose, ever so gently. I think I messed up because I was supposed to go underneath the eyes with the lighter shade, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. I am wearing foundation already, so that's already been covered, and I don't wear concealer ever. So I don't know if it's a critical part of the contour, but oops, missed that. I kind of want to use this darker shade right here, so I'm gonna do it. I really like the feel of this. It's very nice. I'm just gonna go back through and darken the lines on my nose a little bit. And up on the cheeks, just a tad. A little bit along. I don't want it too much. Let's do a little bit. Maybe along the jawline. Right there. I've seen a lot of TikToks where people contour around the lips. It looks really good. I'm not gonna do that today though, since this is just my first time contouring, but that might be something for the future to do for sure. But the people that I've seen on TikTok doing it, I mean, it looks incredible. They're really doing a good job. They obviously know what they're doing, and I don't, so. Okay, so I think we're done contouring for now. This is really interesting. You know, looking forward to blending this out. I'm gonna be using e.l.f.'s blending sponge. I've never used a sponge before, but I read a lot about how sponges are great for contouring, so I thought I might use this one. This was $6 at Target. If you wanted the 2-pack, it was $10. Am I blending this right? So I've blended it out with the sponge. I can kind of see a difference a little bit. I think my features are more defined. My jawline is a little more defined with the contour and some of my cheekbones in here and even a little bit in my nose as well. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the job that I did. I am curious to hear your thoughts. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. And that's it for today's video of me contouring for the first time. I think the end result turned out pretty well, but I'm a little biased. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content. Bye-bye.